I'm Meggie Kay. So today I am going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do since I first arrived to Japan, and that is to hike Mount Aso. So Mount Aso is located in the middle of Kyushu and is basically the whole reason Kyushu exists. And it is Japan's largest active volcano. So that's what makes it different from all the other mountains and whatnot. It is an active volcano, so we're gonna hike that today, hopefully. Just after I arrived in Japan, so like a year and a half ago, I think, it actually erupted. Mount Aso erupted. Not a big one, but an eruption nonetheless, and all the visitation and tourism around the volcano kind of closed down for safety reasons. And it wasn't until very, very recently that they opened everything up again. For basically over the last year, it's been closed up to 1 kilometer from the crater. You couldn't actually get any closer than that. But it is apparently up and running again, regular access. So hopefully we can see it today, because they will close it randomly if they feel like the environment makes it unsafe. So we're gonna drive out there. It's about an hour and 20 minutes away from where I live, so we're gonna attempt Mount Aso today. Yay! Across from the museum, which we decided not to go into because it's like over 800 yen to get in, and we're being cheap today. There's an area where you can actually walk around, and apparently there's horses too, but I didn't see any horses. And you can actually get a better view of the crater right there, since we couldn't actually go to the crater, but you're like far enough away you can really see all of the smoke and gas coming out of it from this side. So since we didn't get to see the crater, we decided to come through Kyushu and stop and get some really good pizza, which is a pretty rare sight in the countryside. It's at this vineyard out in Kyushu, which is right beside Aso, so yay, pizza. Okay, actually, if I'm gonna be completely honest, we were planning on doing this anyways. But, you know, positives for not seeing the crater, right? Alright, so I'm home now. My little trip to Mount Aso is finished. At least for now, because I'm really not okay with not seeing the crater. I want to see that crater. I want to get up in that. But, I mean, it was a fun day anyways. And even if you can't get all the way to the crater, it there is a fairly big area around there that you can easily spend, you know, an afternoon exploring around Aso. You don't need to see the crater, but I need to see the crater. I want to see this. And I live close enough where I'm gonna keep an eye on the status of Mount Aso to see if I can get any closer to the crater some other time. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I'll be back with another one soon. Bye!